Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a fascinating herb that's been gaining a lot of attention for its ability to help us stay sharp, focused, and resilient. Rhodiola rosea. You might not have heard of it before, but this little plant, which thrives in cold, harsh climates, is a true powerhouse when it comes to boosting your mental performance naturally. So, what makes Rhodiola rosea so special? It's known as an adaptogen. Now, that's a bit of a fancy word, but it just means that it's a natural substance that helps your body adapt to stress, whether that stress is physical, chemical, or environmental. Think of it like a personal trainer for your body's stress response system. Instead of getting overwhelmed, Rhodiola helps your system cope more efficiently, allowing you to maintain balance and perform better. One of the biggest benefits people report with Rhodiola rosea is an improvement in focus and concentration. If you've ever felt that mental fog, struggled to pay attention, or found your mind wandering when you really need to buckle down, Rhodiola might be able to help. It's thought to work by influencing certain brain chemicals that are important for alertness and cognitive function. It's not like a jolt of caffeine, but more of a steady, sustained clarity that helps you stay on task. Beyond focus, Rhodiola is also celebrated for its ability to reduce mental fatigue. In our busy lives, feeling drained mentally is a common complaint. This herb can help combat that feeling of burnout, allowing you to sustain your mental energy for longer periods. Imagine pushing through a long workday or a tough study session feeling more invigorated rather than utterly exhausted. And it ties into stress management, too. Since it helps your body adapt to stress, it can also have a positive impact on your mood and overall sense of well-being. When you're less stressed, it's naturally easier to think clearly and perform at your best. It won't eliminate stress, but it can change how your body responds to it, making you feel more resilient. How do people typically use it? Rhodiola rosea is usually taken in supplement form, often as capsules or liquid extracts. It's important to find a high-quality product, and as with any supplement, it's a good idea to talk to a healthcare professional before adding it to your routine, especially if you have any existing health conditions or are taking other medications. So, if you're looking for a natural way to enhance your mental performance, boost your focus, combat mental fatigue, and better manage stress, Rhodiola rosea is definitely an adaptogen worth exploring. It's a fantastic example of how nature provides powerful tools to help us thrive in our busy modern lives.